Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Science, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 4. Our topic for today is about air pressure and wind lower pressure area, news analysis, storms in the Philippines, impacts of storm. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. Describe some effects of weather disturbances that occur in or near the Philippines. 2. Describe the weather conditions according to a public storm warning signal issued by the Philippine Atmospheric, Geological, and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA. 3. Describe typical weather conditions before, during, and after a tropical cyclone. Learning objectives. 1. Relate air pressure to wind. 2. Explain why low pressure areas may lead to the formation of tropical cyclones. 3. Describe the occurrence of a tropical cyclone in the Philippines. 4. Infer the impacts of tropical cyclone. Short review. Phases of matter. What can you see in the image? Answer. I can see a cup of hot coffee with steam coming out. Day 1. Give me 3 words. Give 3 words you can relate to the review words below. First, atmosphere, sky, clouds, air. Ozone layer, weather. Earth, protection, space. Water vapor. Steam, evaporation, gas. Heat, boiling, cloud. Humidity, mist, condensation. Air, wind, oxygen, breeze. Breathing, fun, balloon. Pollution, carbon dioxide, movement. Lesson purpose, look at the image below to your students. Have you seen it before? If yes, where and when? Questions, what are the common reasons for class suspension? Answer, common reasons are typhoons, heavy rain, flooding, earthquakes, and power outages. 2. Is class automatically suspended when there is rain? Answer, no. Classes are not automatically suspended just because of rain. It depends on how strong the rain is and the announcement from the government. 3. Why do storms often lead to class suspensions? Answer, storms can cause strong winds, heavy rain, and flooding, which can be dangerous for students and teachers. Unlocking content area vocabulary. Give the word and definition. Use the word in the sentence and illustrate a scenario that represents the word. First, rise. Definition, move from a lower position to a higher one. Sentence, the sun will rise in the morning. Second, spread. To move to different directions. Sentence, the fire can spread quickly in a dry forest. Third, infection. The invasion of microorganisms like bacteria and virus in the body. Sentence, she got an infection after touching a dirty wound. Fourth, uproot. Pull out from the ground. Sentence, the strong wind can uproot big trees. surge, to increase quickly and strongly. Sentence, there was a surge of people at the mall during the sale. Subtopic number 1, air pressure, wind, low pressure area. Wind direction, bubbles activity. Bring bubble solution and bubble blower. Let's blow bubbles. What happened to the bubbles we created? Answer, the bubbles floated in the air and then popped. What makes the bubbles move? Answer, air and wind make the bubbles move. What dictates the direction of the bubbles? Answer, the direction of the wind or moving air. What dictates the direction of the wind? Answer, air pressure and temperature differences in the air. Day 2. Worked example, activity number 1, direction of wind. Instructions. Watch the video. Video title, Why Does the Wind Blow? Length, 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Fill in the table. First column, fill the sentence. Second column, choices. The wind blows due to the difference in air pressure. Air is a mixture of gases in the atmosphere. The weight of gases in the atmosphere creates air pressure. Temperature creates a difference in air pressure. When the temperature of air particles increases, the particles move quickly, spread out, and rise. Areas of low pressure have less air particles compared to areas of high pressure. Air moves from area of high air pressure to area of low air pressure. The greater the difference in air pressure, the stronger the wind. LPA News Analysis. Watch the video below. Questions. What part of the country is the low pressure area or LPA in the news located? Answer. It is located in the eastern part of the Philippines. 2. Why is the wind heading towards the LPA? Answer. The wind moves toward the LPA because it has low air pressure. 3. What will happen if an LPA heads toward the city you are living in? Why? Answer. There may be heavy rain and strong winds because LPAs bring bad weather. 4. What is needed for an LPA to form? Answer. Warm air and warm ocean water are needed for an LPA to form. 5. Why do LPAs often form in the Philippines? Answer. Because the Philippines has warm ocean waters and is surrounded by seas. Subtopic number 2, Storms in the Philippines, Day 3. Tropical cyclones in different locations. Look at the map. Locate the given ocean and identify the name of the tropical cyclone that forms there. The storm is formed on East Pacific Ocean. The storm is called hurricane. South Pacific Ocean, cyclone. West Pacific Ocean, typhoon. North Atlantic Ocean, hurricane, South Atlantic Ocean, cyclone, Indian Ocean, cyclone. Look at the map, locate the given country, and identify the name of the tropical cyclone that forms near it. The storm is formed near Philippines. The storm is called typhoon. India, cyclone. USA, hurricane. South Africa, cyclone. Australia, cyclone. Brazil, cyclone. Why do you think tropical cyclones are formed over oceans and not on land? Answer: they form over oceans because they get energy from warm ocean water. Land does not give enough heat and moisture. Why do you think tropical cyclones are not formed near the polar regions? Answer: because the polar regions are very cold and cyclones need warm air and water to form. Why do you think high temperatures are needed to form tropical cyclones? Answer: high temperatures make air rise and create low air pressure, which helps the storm grow stronger. Why do you think tropical cyclones are formed? Explain. Answer: tropical cyclones form when warm ocean water hits the air above it. The warm air rises, creating low pressure. More air moves in and the storm starts to spin and grow stronger. Tropical cyclones are violent weather conditions that bring strong winds and heavy rains. Tropical cyclones are formed over warm oceans where atmospheric air rises, forming a low-pressure area. Wind that carries too much water vapor from the ocean moves towards the low-pressure area. If the wind becomes stronger due to higher temperature in LPA, this low-pressure area will be called tropical depression. If the wind speed further increases, the tropical depression would be called a tropical storm, severe tropical storm, typhoon, or super typhoon. Worked example: effects of tropical cyclones. In your group, elaborate to one another the given definition and explanation for the assigned effects of a tropical cyclone. Prepare a short skit to show the possible impacts to humans of this effect. First column, effects of storm. Second column, definition or explanation. Third column is the image. Strong winds. Wind from tropical cyclones can be from 62 km per hour up to more than 185 km per hour for super typhoons. These can lead to damaged infrastructures, often roofs of homes and homes made of light materials, destroyed crops, and even uprooted trees. Image. Next is flooding. Due to heavy rainfall, streets can be flooded, which causes damage to homes, cars, and other establishments. If the flood is too high, it may even result in drowning. Floods can also destroy crops. Storm surge. Due to strong winds, sea waves become stronger and higher, which can be up to 5 meters high. This leads the waves to move over the normal coastline, which can destroy homes, roads, and establishments near the coast. Epidemics. After a typhoon or super typhoon, there can be an outbreak of diseases. Dengue, a viral infection, from certain mosquitoes due to an increase in the population of mosquitoes due to stagnant water left by the typhoon. Gastroenteritis, infection in the digestive system due to polluted water source caused by flooding. Leptospirosis, bacterial disease often contracted from the animal urine due to flooding where urine of rats gets mixed. Flu, respiratory diseases due to influenza virus, which is common in the Philippines. Immune system can get low, and humans become more susceptible to flu when their living conditions worsen due to the occurrence of the tropical cyclone. Day 4. Lesson activity: Storms in the Philippines. Read the guide questions. Study the infographics to answer the given guide questions. After you answer, look for a pair. Share your answers with one another. Finalize your answers with the help of each other. Here's the infographics. Questions. 1. What is the average number of tropical cyclones that occurred in the Philippines from 2010 to 2019? Answer. About 20 tropical cyclones per year on average. 2. What month has the highest average number of tropical cyclones every year? Answer. July has the highest average number of tropical cyclones. 3. What province is most frequently visited by tropical cyclones? Answer. Catanduanes is the most frequently visited province. 4. What do you think is the impact of frequent tropical cyclones in the Philippines? Answer. They can cause flooding, damage to houses and crops, power outages, and danger to people's lives. Learners' takeaways. Fold a sheet of paper, preferably bond paper, into 3. Landscape with 3 columns. And illustrate what you have learned from the week. How is a tropical cyclone formed? A tropical cyclone forms when warm ocean water hits the air. The warm air rises, creates low pressure, and starts to spin. Low pressure area. A low pressure area is a place where air pressure is low. Air moves toward it, bringing clouds and rain. Effects of a tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones can cause strong winds, heavy rain, flooding, and damage to homes and crops. Reflection on learning. Why do you think it is important for Filipinos to understand the formation and effects of a tropical cyclone? How can you help others better understand tropical cyclones? Example answer, it is important because the Philippines often experiences typhoons. If we understand them, we can prepare early and stay safe. I can share what I learned, explain it in simple words, and remind them to prepare and follow safety rules. Formative assessment, true or false. Evaluate the statements whether it is true or false. 1. Wind comes from low pressure area and goes to the land. Answer, false. 2. Air particles rise when the temperature is high. Answer, true. 3. Storm surge mainly affects mountains and other high areas. Answer, false. 4. Flooding can lead to damage to streets and can cause an outbreak of leptospirosis. Answer, true. 5. typhoons are most common in the Philippines at the start of the year? Answer, false.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!